These 5 platforms are sending thousands of free USA, UK visitors to website every single day. While everybody fights for Google traffic, smart publishers are actually using these particular platforms to generate tons of traffic every single day. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually utilize these 5 platforms to generate tons of traffic for your own website. Okay, as you can see right here, this platform gets over 11.7 million visitors. This particular website gets 1.6 million visitors, and the list platform right here gets over 250k monthly visitors. And this platform are getting visitors from the Taiwan countries. And in this very video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use this platform to generate a lot of traffic for your own website. Okay, and also these platforms are 100% free of charge. Okay, you're not required to pay anything to register. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can actually set up this for yourself. All right, and in this very video, we're going to be doing only 4 simple steps. All right. So the step 1, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually propose one blog post into 5 different traffic sources. Okay, and step 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get Taiwan, USA, UK visitors without SEO or paid advertisement. And the third step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually stack all 5 platforms to send traffic to the same site simultaneously. All right, the last but not the least step, which I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use each platforms to also boost your SEO ranking. So if you're ready for that, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also tell me where you're watching from so I can actually make more videos that will benefit you. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. The number 5 on this very list is LinkedIn article. All right, LinkedIn is a professional platform where you can actually share your ideas and get to connect with other professionals. All right, people on this very platform are very much interested in anything related to business, anything related to job, and other stuff. All right, and the best part is that this very platform can actually help you drive traffic to whatever thing you want to promote. Okay, whatever thing you post on this platform is going to be indexed by Google itself, and the competition on this very platform is not really high. On my profile, I got over 876 visitors, and most of the posts I post here are getting a lot of impressions. Okay, the same way they're getting clicks. All right, in the last 7 days we got 97k clicks. All right, and this particular click are not actually coming from posts, they're not coming from videos, they are coming from article. Okay, so LinkedIn article is one of the strategies you can actually use right now to generate a lot of traffic to your blog website, to your digital product, and also get it ranked on Google. So all you need to do is simply head over to your browser right here, and you have to simply go ahead and register on linkedin.com. all right, so if this is a website and you want to generate traffic to this particular website, for instance, if you want to tell them how to actually start blogging in 2026, you need to click on that particular post, just like this one right here. Okay, copy your post title. Okay, when you copy that, come over to this very section right here. This is your LinkedIn. Okay, you can see you can start a post from here. You can start a post from here. Okay, this is the normal way of posting on LinkedIn, but if you do it like this, it is not going to rank for you. All right, and you cannot actually generate good impression with it. Okay, and your impression will still be going high a little bit, but at a certain time it will die off. People will not see it again. All right, but the best way to actually get traffic to your website with LinkedIn article is to close this. All right, when you close this, let's discard it, and you need to simply come over to this section that says write article. But you don't have to worry yourself. If you're using your mobile phone for this, it is not going to work. If you're using the mobile application to access this, it is not going to work. You're not going to see write article with your mobile phone. Okay, especially the application. All you need to do is simply go to the browser. Even if you don't have laptop, go to your browser, your Chrome browser, you select desktop tab, okay, for this to come out for you, and you have to make sure that you are logged into that LinkedIn account you've already created. Okay, once you log into that account, you need to simply click on this write article instead of starting a post. Okay, you need to start writing article. Just click on it. When you click on that, you can see a new version has actually opened for us, and this new version is very much advanced. Okay, from this new version, you're going to simply be getting subscribers to your article, people that want to read your article. For instance, if I want to actually start this particular post, what I need to do is simply get my post. The next you need to do is simply add that particular title you've already copied from your main website post. Okay, so I will have to paste that right here. Okay, so how to monetize your blog. All right, so this is the article we are going with right now. The next thing is to actually start writing the body of the content. Okay, remember, you're not going to simply start publishing all the content on this very page. You're going to simply give them a snippet of what you have already written on your main website, so that it won't be a duplicate content. Okay, so if your website is monetized just like this one right here, you copy a few snippets of that particular post. Okay, let's say I want to copy something like this. All right, let's say I want to copy this section. You can get this section, then you can add it here. Or the best way to go about this is to actually copy this title here, and tell ChatGPT to actually give you a snippet, okay, about this particular post, a high catchy snippet that will make people to actually click and read your blog. Okay, so all you need to do is simply add that. Once you have that in place, then I can actually add read more. Okay, highlight it and make it bold. Okay, you can see it is now bold. Another thing we're going to simply do is to highlight it and select the relevant article link that you want to actually add there, so that people can actually read and also get the right information they want. Okay, so just grab this, okay, select this and add the main content here. You can see right here, this is what we have here. And the next one we're going to simply do is to actually add our featured image. Then select this. You can see right here, it is very much better right now. Okay, then click on next button. When you add that, you can actually add that video reference, okay, so that people can be able to get full detailed information of what you are promoting. Okay, so it's going to simply help them a lot, and it's not going to be like a spam. Okay, so let's add this. You can watch video. Okay, remember how we did it before, then add it here. Okay, so once you have that in place, the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on the manage button. If you click on the manage button, you can actually publish it right now, or you can actually send it to your newsletter. I created this particular newsletter a few days ago. We've already gotten over 200 subscribers already, and imagine when 200 people are visiting every single time you make a post. Okay, that's going to simply be massive, right? So if you click on this next button, this is what we're going to simply be having right now. You can see right here, tell your network what your article is about. Okay, you can actually add your article right here. Let's say this is what it's about. Then come to this very section here. Then click on the publish button. You can show right here, congrats on publishing your latest article, and people can actually still read my blog. Okay, from this very section, if they click on this, and with this you're going to simply be getting more traffic to your website and lots more. Number 4 on this very list, we have NewsBreak.com. right, so this is a platform where you can actually start publishing your content. This platform gets over 50 million plus US visitors every single day. Okay, and most of them are consumers. Okay, which means you don't have to worry yourself about competition. If you want to use this platform to actually get traffic to your blog website, to your product, to your affiliate links, to your digital product and lot more, you need to actually pay close attention to what I'm going to be showing you right here in this very video. You can decide to sign up as a contributor, or you sign up as a reader. Okay, for you to actually get traffic to this very platform, go to another separate page. When you go to another separate page, search for NewsBreak. All right, when you search for that, just click on these contributors right here. Okay, and for you to get started with this, you need to actually come to this very page that says creators.newsbreak.com. right, on this page you can actually become a NewsBreak creator. You will create your story and also your spotlight, then generate traffic by clicking on this button. Just click on this, fill in your details, okay, and then click on this submit button. All right, so you can show right here, thanks for applying to our contributor program. You should hear back from our team within 30 days. All right, my first account didn't take up to 24 hours. Okay, so all you need to do is simply use this platform to get traffic to yourself, and that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, and the next platform you can actually use to get traffic to your website is Scoop.it. This is a platform that's going to simply help you to actually get to promote your content. Okay, whether you're making videos or you're making write-up, okay, it's going to simply help you a lot. Okay? And the traffic comes from United States, Canada, United Kingdom, India, Germany, and lots more. Okay, and most of the traffic comes from the United States. Okay, so if you're getting traffic from this very platform, you're going to simply be getting yourself more CPM, more RPM to your ad. Okay, and the next on this very list, which is the number 2, we have the Flipboard. Okay, all you need to do is simply sign up as a publisher. Now, the best thing about this particular session, which is the creator session, is that you can actually build your presence right here and also apply for the creators program. Okay, that means if you want to get monetized, okay, on this session you can actually start publishing your content just like that, then start sending traffic from this platform to your own platform. Right, so click on this try Flipboard to simply download the application on Play Store or on App Store. Okay, so the last on this very list, we have the DailyMotion. Okay, so DailyMotion, most of you might be telling yourself that this is a platform for videos. Yes, this is a platform for videos, but If your content on your website can actually be turned to a video, then that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, they get over millions of visitors every single day visiting on this very platform. Okay, and this platform right here allows you to actually get traffic to whatever thing you want to promote, be it videos, be it articles, be it product, digital product, anything. All right, all you need to do is simply convert that particular article you've already written to a video. For instance, if this is my article I've already written, I can actually convert this particular article to a full video and also publish it on DailyMotion. And the best part is that you don't need to be a creator. This is called InVideo AI. Okay, this InVideo.io right here is going to simply help you turn your articles to a video, any format. If you want it as a short video, if you want it as a long video, you can actually use this platform to handle all of that. All you need to do is simply paste your script, and that's going to simply be like a YouTube video. Remember, when you're publishing it, you're going to simply be adding your description. Inside that same description, there should be your website link. Okay, with that, you're going to be getting yourself more traffic to your website with a single video. And these are the 5 latest ways you can actually get traffic to your website, to your digital product, your affiliate product, and get more sales to your shelf. Right, if you're getting a lot of traffic, millions of traffic, thousands of traffic every single day, and your website is not actually monetized, you're going to simply be wasting that traffic for nothing. All right, you're going to be wasting that traffic for nothing. So I've already made a full detailed video on how you can actually get your website fully monetized. Go ahead and watch this particular video right here. This is Cloudy AI, Buffer AI, and Metrical AI. Okay, and that's going to simply help you. See you in the next one.